So the last video I uploaded 3 days ago was slot machine number 2. This is slot machine number 9. And it's pretty much the same as the last slot machine or the last video. There's just 4 options for the cursor. It just cycles between these 4. Spin, bet 1, max bet, and quit. If you saw the last video, the graphics are exactly the same. I just wanted to show how so the first program, the first slot machine one, probably took like a month to program, but then every version after that, all I did was go in and change the value of some of the variables and set up a new payoff table, which basically created a different slot machine. I mean, it looks exactly the same, but the payoffs are different, and I guess if you get a little bored of one, you could switch to the other one. Also, not just from a standpoint of being bored, but some of them I made higher paying off or paying off at a lower amount. So we'll just do a spin here. I bet 1 on that one. And so this one, any 3 on the pay line, if you get 3 of anything, it pays out 3 for each 1 coin bet. That was different than the slot machine 2 in the last video. You had to get 3 of the same object in the last one for any kind of payout. And then also we have this, I guess this is kind of be like a cherry. I don't know if the more modern slot machines, I haven't really been in a casino in a while, if all the slot machines still have cherries, but the older ones always used to have like cherries, and you didn't need to get 3 of them or even 2 of them. Usually they would just pay if you got 1 cherry anywhere. That's basically what this is your cherry. And the last slot machine video, number 2, there was no payoffs for 2 of a kind. But you see all these objects pay with 2 of a kind. I'm just noticing this one doesn't have any payoffs for 2 or 3. Not sure why, but that's what it is. So if you saw the last video, there's not much new here. I just wanted to show, once you have the basic program or basic engine done, these other versions, well, the first, like I said, the first version probably took a month to create. These other versions, just changing the variables, I probably created them in 15 or 20 minutes. I mean, I can see the graphics aren't even any different. Had I changed that, it might have taken a little longer, but I didn't even change the graphics. They're the same. So, yeah, I could just pump out as many new versions as I wanted to real quickly. I'm just going to bet a little more on this one. And so in the last video, I showed the whole program at the end. I listed it on screen. I'm not going to do that here because it's basically the same as the last one. If for some reason you wanted to see that, you can check out the last video. I'm guessing that probably wouldn't be very interesting to most people. So that one paid 5. Wait, why'd that pay 5? It says it. Oh, okay. Because I bet 5 and that pays 1. That's why. Okay. And well, this slot machine doesn't do anything else other than the last one. I don't want to drag this out any longer. You've seen about everything there is to see. I just want to, before I end this video, I want to have get a decent win here, I think. Nothing there. Oh, I thought it was going to stay on max bet. I bet max bet last time, and I didn't change it. It defaulted back to betting 1. I thought it was just going to stay on max bet, but it did not. So I guess if I have to click on max bet every time if I want to, it won't stay there. Yeah, I went back, it defaulted back to just betting 1. So I got 3 of any kind. That pays 3, and I'd bet 10. So I won 30 on that one. Almost got me back to the 500 where I started from. Nothing at all. Not having much luck here. Looks like the reels are lining up there a little bit. Oh, they didn't stay lined up. Nothing. Got a cherry. Yeah, I bet 10 and cherry pays 1 for each coin bet. So I was paid 10. I got my money back. That doesn't help me. I didn't lose anything, but I didn't make anything on that bet. I think the jackpot was 250 on the other one, and I think it was the same symbol you needed to get the jackpot, if I remember correctly. I don't remember how many spots there are on each reel, and I don't know how many of each item is on each reel. Probably, most likely, this one's the rarest, I would assume. But I don't remember how many spots or locations are on each reel. Normally, knowing myself, I probably made it a easy number to calculate mathematically. There's probably like 100 or 50 or 20, some easy number to do the math on, I would guess, but I don't remember. Oh, nothing. And I meant to bet max, and it keeps defaulting back to bet 1, and I keep forgetting that. Oh well, that's good. It was a loss anyway. Max bet. That paid 30? Why did that pay 30? I bet 10, so it really paid 3. Any 3? Oh, any 3. That's why. I had 3. 2 of those. No empty spots on the pay line, basically. 3 symbols on the pay line. Pays 3 times 10. All right. This program doesn't do anything else. I'm going to get out of here. One last bet, and then I'm out of here. Alright, bet 10, paid 10, broke even. I ended this session down 27. That's another version of the slot machine. This was version 9 of 9 that I made. The last one you saw was 2. Maybe I'll make some more versions. Maybe someday I'll change the graphics up a little. I don't know. But anyway, that's all this one does. See ya.